Hello, this is my shed, and today I'm going to show you what a rain pod is. So in order not to have water butts near the shed, I've installed two rain pods. There they are, on there. Other one down there. Now the idea of these is that the water butt can go anywhere. So you attach a hose pipe to the bottom. There's the rain coming out there. The hose pipe, which will be buried, goes down here, down the back of the shed, joins on to the other rain pod, there, and the rain butt, water butt, is all the way down here. And the curve there is under there, and then links in there, 4 water butts. So it's connected via the taps at the bottom. Taps have to be in the on position. They're linked in a chain, and hopefully there we go. Now, well, it's the first time I've done this, and I'm assuming that once they fill up to the tap level, they will fill up equally, and the water can be drained off at the pod, or in my case I'm going to put a tap on the end there, and I will drain that off, water the potatoes, fill the pond up. So yes, rain pod, they're £67 each, which is quite expensive, but in this case I thought I would give it a go. It stops these ugly, fairly obtrusive looking rain butts being anywhere near the summer house, which I think would spoil the look of it. So they're designed to fit in the drain pipe. You cut the drain pipe, fit it in, put the clamps on, Bob's your uncle. Once the water butt's full, any surplus water will come out down there and will overflow. So I can drain all 4 water butts from here, or at the other pod, or down at the water butts. Extremely good idea, love them, very pleased. So if you want to have a look at them, rain pods.